If you've ever wondered how to edit faster in Premiere Pro, you're not alone. Try building one new habit from this list into your next project. You'll be amazed how quickly your speed and your sanity improves. So in this video, we're breaking down 10 pro workflow tips that will help you edit faster in Premiere Pro, cut down on wasted time, and keep your creative flow uninterrupted. Tip number 1, customize your keyboard shortcuts. Speed starts with muscle memory. Head to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, and customize your most used commands, like Ripple Delete, Add Edit, and Zoom to Sequence. Map them to easy-to-reach keys or a control surface. It might feel minor, but shaving milliseconds from every move adds up to hours over a project. Tip number 2, use preset workspaces. Premiere's built-in workspaces are a gift. Editing, color, audio, effects, but don't stop there. Save custom layouts for specific tasks. For example, one for multicam, one for color reviews, and one for social cutdowns. Switching instantly keeps you focused and prevents panel chaos. Tip number 3, learn the trim mode. If you're still dragging clips manually, try trim mode. Use T to enter it, then fine-tune in-out points with JKL keys in real time. It's faster, more precise, and perfect for documentary or dialogue sequences. Tip number 4, use pancake timelines. Open multiple timelines stacked vertically. One for selects, one for your master sequence. Drag the best moments up to your main edit. It's like copy-pasting ideas without breaking flow. Every pro editor I know uses this trick daily. Tip number 5, leverage adjustment layers. Need to apply color or motion effects across clips? Drop an adjustment layer on top. Now you can tweak grades or crops once instead of having to repeat the same changes 20 times. Tip number 6, proxy workflows for heavy footage. 4K or 8K timelines choking your system? Create proxies. Go to Create Proxies, Low Res preset. Then toggle between Full Res and Proxy View with a single click. Smooth playback equals faster decisions and faster edits. Tip number 7, use autosave and incremental versions. Don't let crashes kill your momentum. Enable autosave every 5 minutes and use incremental project versions. That way, if something corrupts, you're never more than a few steps behind. Tip number 8, master labels and markers. Use color labels to group your story structure. Interviews in blue, B-roll in orange, graphics in purple. Add markers with notes for music cues or visual effects placeholders. It's like leaving breadcrumbs for future you, or anyone else opening your project. Tip number 9, optimize playback and GPU settings. Head to Preferences and Playback, and then enable high-quality playback only for final checks. For day-to-day editing, drop playback to half or 1/4 resolution, and make sure Mercury Playback Engine is set to GPU acceleration. That single setting change can double your real-time playback performance. Tip number 10, real-time collaboration workflow. Finally, collaboration. If you're working with editors or producers remotely, shared drives and transfers are usually the biggest slowdown. That's where tools like LucidLink can help. Your project and media appear like a local drive for everyone, so there's no downloading or relinking between systems. Just open, edit, and export together in real time. So those are 10 tips to edit faster in Premiere Pro, covering setup, workflow, and collaboration. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more editing workflow breakdowns, post-production guides, and creative pipeline tips.